Funen, the enchanting island located in Denmark, is a picturesque and diverse destination that invites travelers to explore its lush landscapes, historic towns, and cultural heritage. Known as the Garden of Denmark, Funen offers a wide range of experiences that showcase its natural beauty, charming villages, and rich history. Funen's main attraction is its stunning countryside, characterized by rolling hills, fertile farmland, and picturesque coastlines. The island is adorned with charming orchards, colorful meadows, and quaint villages that exude a sense of tranquility and rustic charm. The South Funen Archipelago, a collection of small islands and islets, offers opportunities for sailing, kayaking, and exploring pristine coastal landscapes. The town of Odense, Funen's largest city, is a hub of cultural and historical significance. It is famously known as the birthplace of Hans Christian Andersen, the renowned fairy tale author. The Hans Christian Andersen Museum and the childhood home of the author offer insights into his life and creative works. The city's historic district features cobblestone streets, half-timbered houses, and charming squares that preserve its medieval ambience. Art and culture flourish in Funen's museums, galleries, and cultural events. The Funen Art Museum showcases Danish art from the 18th century to the present day, while the Brandts complex houses contemporary art, design, and media exhibitions. The Egeskov Castle, one of Europe's best-preserved Renaissance water castles, offers a glimpse into the past with its splendid interiors, beautiful gardens, and cultural events. Outdoor enthusiasts can explore Funen's natural beauty through hiking and cycling trails that wind through forests, along the coast, and through scenic landscapes. The island's green spaces, such as the Fruens Boch Park and the Odense River, provide serene settings for relaxation and outdoor activities. Culinary experiences in Funen celebrate local flavors and Danish cuisine. The island's restaurants, farm-to-table eateries, and cafes serve dishes that highlight fresh, local ingredients. Funen is known for its bakeries, where traditional pastries and breads can be savored. For those seeking historical exploration, Funen's historic sites and open-air museums offer glimpses into Denmark's past. The Funen Village, an open-air museum, recreates rural life from the 18th and 19th centuries, allowing visitors to step back in time and experience history firsthand. Funen is an island that seamlessly blends natural beauty, history, and cultural richness. Whether you're exploring its charming villages, visiting its museums, enjoying outdoor activities, or simply savoring its tranquil landscapes, Funen promises an enriching and unforgettable journey that captures the essence of Danish heritage, rustic allure, and the timeless charm of a destination that celebrates both tradition and modernity.